My name is Ram Meduri. I am the founder and CEO of Jama Wealth. I'm basically an MBA specializing in finance, marketing, and technology from the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, batch of 96-98.
Hi, I'm Manoj Trivedi, Head of Advisory and Research, JamaWealth.com. I've been a cost accountant and chartered accountant, fascinated by the wealth creation opportunity through the stock market route ever since my student days. Ram and I have been classmates at Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Ever since those days, we share the same vision of creating a platform that would make investment easy and simple for all the investors, cutting out all the noise associated with it. We bring together our individual experiences and the lessons learned. To that, we add the power of technology to make it a fruitful experience for us and for our clients. Our approach to fundamentals is bottom to top. We do look at the macro scenario and the industry specific situations, but our focus is on specific performance of the company.
Jama Wealth is a wealth management and SEBI registered investment advisory company specializing in equity growth strategies. We are a team of investment experts using machine learning algorithms to help you in your long-term wealth generation goals. I was very passionate about technology and coding right from my childhood. Also been very fascinated with numbers and compounding. So naturally, when my career started, I chose the intersection of technology and finance. It started with Infosys, where I worked with many dot-com startups in the late 1990s. So I saw the boom and bust of the technology era, at the turn of the century, very close hand. Subsequently, I also worked with a very large US Midwest-based investment major, which had an asset book of about $250 billion. That's roughly the size of India's equity mutual fund industry today. After Infosys, I moved to ICICI Group, where I was heading the technology for the general insurance vertical. That's also a fairly large operation, India's largest private insurance company with an investment book of about 30,000 crores. I also head tech and ops for NBFC with an asset book of about 20,000 crores. So my experience is pretty much in the technology and financial services intersection, and I'm bringing a lot of those best practices to play as we build our organization for scale and for helping our clients build wealth using technology in an unbiased manner. So we basically specialize in helping our clients get and stay rich in a slow and steady and somewhat predictable manner. Our flagship equity growth strategy called Jewel has, over the last 2 years, which is since launch, generated about 118% return, which is 2.5 times that of the Nifty 50 total returns index. The same strategy over the last 16 years has generated about 12 times that compared to the index.